Most people think of crystals as pretty decorations or trending spiritual tools. But what if I told you they've been shaping history and human consciousness for thousands of years? In this video, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of crystals, where they come from, their historical significance, how they influence energy, and how you can use them for manifesting and healing, especially during March's powerful astrological shifts. By the end of the video, you will know the true origins of crystals, how they form in the earth, the ancient civilizations that use them for healing, power, and magic, how crystals align with the March's zodiac signs and astrological energies, the best crystals to use right now for manifestation and transformation as well. So stay tuned because this isn't your typical crystal video. Welcome to Manifest with Lala Ray. This channel is your guide to living a life free from ego, fear, and external distractions. Learn practices like manifestation, meditation, affirmations, journaling, and navigate through astrology to help you move through life as your highest self. Now back to the video. Crystals are not just rocks. They are geometric structures formed over millions of years within the Earth's crust. Through extreme pressure, heat, and mineral composition, crystals take shape in perfect symmetry. Their molecular structure let's try this again. Their molecular structure is what makes them so unique and powerful. Different minerals create different types of crystals. Quartz, found all over the world, known as the master healer. Lapis lazuli was used by ancient pharaohs to enhance wisdom and intuition. Obsidian, formed from volcanic lava, used for protection and grounding. Each crystal carries a specific vibration and energy, which is why they have been used in healing, technology, and even ancient rituals for centuries. Crystals have been part of human civilization for thousands of years, playing a role in spirituality, healing, and even war. Ancient Egypt, they used to use lapis lazuli and carnelian in burial rituals, believing they guided souls to the afterlife. The Romans, they embedded crystals in their armor for protection in battle. Chinese medicine, jade was and still is considered a powerful healing stone. The Mayans and the Aztecs, they used obsidian mirrors for scrying. It's a form of divination. These civilizations understood what modern science is just starting to explore. Crystals hold and transmit energy. How do they actually work? Crystals operate through energy frequencies. Just like your body has an electromagnetic field, crystals emit specific vibrations that can align with and influence your energy. This is why different crystals are used for different things. Like, for example, rose quartz. It attracts love and emotional healing. Amethyst enhances intuition and spiritual awareness. Citrine, it's known as the merchant's stone, actually, for wealth and abundance. Crystals are even used in modern technology. Yeah, quartz, you find that in watches and electronics because of its ability to regulate frequency. And if it works in tech, imagine what it can do for you. March is a powerful month energetically, and as we transition from Pisces, which is the dreamy, intuitive energy, into Aries, which is bold, action-driven energy, I'm going to share with you what I think the best crystals are going to be to work with in the month of March. With respect to Pisces, I'm going to recommend amethyst, for intuition, aquamarine for emotional balance, and moonstone for spiritual clarity. Now for Aries, I'm going to recommend carnelian for your confidence, red jasper for your courage, and bloodstone for your strength. Now here are some key dates. There are 3 key dates in the month of March which are really crucial and important energetically. And I do a video on this which goes into great detail about the dates. It's out on the channel. You'll see it. It was just a couple videos ago. If you want to go and explore that, I think it could be beneficial. All right, here's the first one, March 10th. This is new moon in Pisces. Best for setting spiritual and intuitive intentions. March 14th is the 314 energy date. It's a 369 manifestation boost. There's a video on the channel about the 369, Tesla's 369 manifestation technique. I just released that one. That's a good one too. Anyway, for that date, March 14th, I would recommend that you use clear quartz for amplifying your energy. Then on March 20th, boom, we got the spring equinox and the Aries season begins. Time to use that tiger's eye for confidence and new beginnings. Yeah. Do you want to harness these energies? Well, keep watching because I am going to tell you how to use these crystals. Stay tuned. All right, here is how to activate your crystals and use them effectively. Cleansing. You definitely should cleanse your crystals. You can use sage, moonlight, or salt to clear old energies from them. Programming them. You're going to hold the crystal, you're going to set an intention and speak it out loud. And then carrying them and wearing them. Keep it on you to stay aligned with its energy. And then placing them in your space. Certain crystals amplify different areas of your home, like for example, citrine in the wealth corner, rose quartz in the bedroom, stuff like that. Crystals have shaped history, science, and spirituality for thousands of years. And now you know how to tap into their energy for yourself. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button. Your engagement helps more people find this information, allowing them to unlock their potential too. And if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video about manifestation, energy shifts, and astrological insights. This channel releases a video every single day, and they are all designed to help you live your best life. And comment below what's your favorite crystal and why. Let's talk about it. Until next time, my friends, keep aligning, keep manifesting.